Pakistan is host to world's three biggest mountain ranges, the Himalaya, Karakoram, and Hindu Kush. These three ranges are foundation of potential water resource to produce 60,000 megawatt hydropower energy. Grabbing the opportunity, Coin leading a consortium with Dalim and Lotte moved into Pakistan's energy market and acquired Mira Power Limited to develop 102 megawatt Gulpur hydropower project on December 28, 2012. Mira Power Limited is a special purpose company set up to build, own, operate and transfer 102 megawatt Gulpur hydropower plant. The Mira Power started its financing activities in April 2013 and achieved its financial close on 30th October 2015. The construction of the project is carried out by a joint venture of renowned construction companies, Dalim and Lotte. Despite force majeure events, the construction of plant completed on fast-track basis and successfully started commercial operations on 10th March 2020. The major machinery and equipment of plant is manufactured in Europe under the highest quality control standards by the world's renowned European electro and hydromechanical manufacturers and suppliers. The plant is run off the river. The project construction and commissioning completed under the supervision of project lenders and world-renowned consultants. After commercial operation date, a dedicated team of professionals in operating the plant. Among the other serious challenges, one of the major and the most stringent challenge was the development of the project in the declared national park, which was first ever in the history of Pakistan and Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The project remains an eye-catcher for all the stakeholders due to its environmental and social importance catering, which a comprehensive watch and ward system being implemented and achieving increase of fish population under the Biodiversity Action Plan. The sponsors and company made various contributions to improve living standards and economic prosperity of the local communities. A number of activities specifically focusing on education, health, and infrastructure are carried out. For economic prosperity, more than 50% of jobs at project site given to local community. In recognition of its uniqueness, the project won many awards.
I am sincerely thankful to project sponsors, lenders, contractors who made Gulpur hydropower project a success story.
With all its achievements, Mira Power is a success story and dispatching clean and smart electricity to the national grid of Pakistan.